my friends, and welcome to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And for those of you that are returning, welcome back, welcome back. Well, everything that comes out of this kitchen is with love and from my heart and soul. And today we're going to be doing a good old Southern favorite of mine and a lot of people. It's fried green tomatoes. And you see I have this beautiful washed green tomato, which I'm going to wash again because I'm playing with it. So anyway, we're going to get started. I'm going to show you the whole process, and I'm going to show you two ways you can do it. You can do the old-fashioned way, the way I grew up watching it done. Simple, easy, to the point. They're delicious that way. And I'm going to show you a modernized way that people do it now also. So if you hold on a moment, we're going to start and we'll get cooking. All right, we're back together again. Ha 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 ha. Okay, you see I have these beautiful green tomatoes. I washed them and I dried them off with paper towels. And I call these the bottoms, you know. So I'm going to start by cutting this part of the tomato off because I'm not going to use that. So, you know, this can go over there for a little cleanup. Now, it depends on how thick you want them, and you can have them thin. I don't like them super thick. This about how I like them, you know, about this thick is fine, you know, so I can show you about that thick. That's good. That's a good slice, and you just keep slicing. Eyeball your slices, nice, good, even slices. Use a large knife. Don't use a paring knife. Watch your fingers. Watch those fingers, because you don't want to have to stop and go to the emergency room. Then you won't have your fried green tomatoes, right? I said watch those fingers, because I'm getting near the butt, and I don't want that. See what I mean? Okay, I can't go any further on here. That's the butt. I don't want that. Throw that over there for a little cleanup. Start off again. I said I cut this part off because I have no use for that. Same thickness of slice. And as I get closer to the end, I know when it gets a little dangerous for my hands, I know not to go any further. So I have like 5 slices out of this one and 5 slices out of that one. And the most simplest thing that I can do, like I said, what grandmama, my Pearl did. And my mama cooked them this way too, you know. Wasn't a whole lot of stuff going into them. Just season them with a little black pepper. That's all they did. Season mine with a little seasoned salt. Did I season my seasoned salt? This time I will. Just a little bit. And you're just going to go in there and, you know, make sure they all got some salt and pepper on them. That's good. Okay, let's get to our batter. Remember I said I'm going to show you 2 ways. I'm using yellow cornmeal. I like yellow cornmeal, and then I like white. But for battering things, I like using yellow cornmeal. So I have this is 2 large eggs with a 1/4 cup of milk, beaten really well. 2 eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, and beat it very well. This is going to be your dip. This is the modern way. We're going to go over the modern way first. Here's your cornmeal. Step 1, step 2, step 3. But you got to season your cornmeal. Season both of them, but season this last one. Don't have to worry about seasoning the first one. Season this last one. Mix it up with the fork really well. And then we're going to go to our oil. Move this out the way. I'm using just plain vegetable oil. Get your oil hot. And get my tomatoes out the way. Bring my board back a little. Oh no, I can't waste my coffee. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Let's see if I can position the camera to show you everything I'm going to do. There it is. It's going to be messy. It will be messy. So I'm going to let this oil heat up and we'll be right back. Okay guys, while my oil was heating up, I went on and got my rack ready. See, I have my rack ready with some paper towels, because you make sure you drain them on paper towels, because if you just let them sit on a regular plate, they're going to be soggy. They won't be crispy. And I'm testing my oil. You know, I'm getting me one of those infrared thermometers. I saw it on Amazon. I've been saying I'm gonna get me one too. Okay, the oil is ready, so I'm gonna start off with step 1. Get this all battered with some, this is my regular flour, egg wash, and make sure your oil is a little deep, because it's going to be like deep frying. Because when your oil is deep, somewhat deep, you don't have to worry about turning anything. Make sure this all covered. Egg wash, and it don't take that long for them to cook, so you can't run off and go do other things. And you know another thing too, you don't have to have a fancy kitchen to produce good food, because good food comes from the heart and the soul. That's why they call it soul food too, you know, because that's people got together over good food and conversation and fellowship. That's where it all stemmed from. Good food from the soul. So you don't need all the fancy stuff. You see my bent frying pan. This is a good cookware set. You thought I was going to throw it away? Heck no. I don't care if I did. It wasn't a good cookware set. It still served the purpose, right? Right? Uh-huh. Right on. Right on. I am a southpaw. So I'm going to attempt using this right hand. I'm going to go ahead and flip you, baby cake. They are so pretty. I'm going to do 5. Oh, Lord have mercy. It's all right. So this, honey, I'm not starting over to do a retake. That would be fake. Fake news. And I'm keeping it real. I'm going to do 5 battered, and then I'm going to do fried the regular way, grandmama. You know, Pearl used to just hum all these good gospels when she cooked. That's why I love aprons. She never cooked without an apron. She could, Chef, come on in here. Girl's supposed to know how to cook. Come on in here, Chef. And I'll be fussing the whole doggone time. Okay, that's 5. I'm going to take this glove off. Now I can use my southpaw. This baby's done. Get it over here on this paper towel. They smell so good. They don't take, like I said, they don't take long to cook. So you, like I said, you gotta stand here. Which, that's all right standing here watching your food cook, right? You're not trying to go check your email, right? You're not trying to check your email. You're trying to get all this goodness. See, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and, oh Lord, my bowl melted. Oh well. I can get another one, 50 cents at Walmart. I don't need any more egg wash. I should have thought about that anyway. That was my dumb behind. Okay, I'm going to batter these just like Grandmama. Just like Grandmama did. Make sure I got enough coverage on there. Ain't nothing in here but just plain salt and pepper. Nothing in there but salt and pepper. Like I said, you don't need all, I don't. But you do need a clean, to make good food, you do need clean hands and clean food and a clean kitchen. Can't be throwing collard greens in the washing machine. You see how they just determined to join each other like a family. You know why? Because they know I'm cooking it with love and from the soul. So I guess they say, well, you know what? We want to join together like a family. All right, one more in there. They're just determined to get together and have a reunion in this pan. Our family reunion. Get down on it. Boogie wiggy. I'm silly. I am going to laugh. Our family reunion. Look at that. Look at that baby. Oh, yeah, mama. Because I know she's watching. Said, don't you do that. Now, you know better. That's why it's important to have your oil like this. Because it's like you're deep frying them. Because when you have your oil low, you have to worry about flipping and turning. And they're very easy to burn when your oil is low. Because they're going to float. It's best to have, you don't have to worry about all that turning. Oh, Lord have mercy. Love myself some fried green tomatoes. Take this grease off over here so the temperature, it will stop heating. Our family reunion. Our family reunion. Look at what. Whoa. worry about that. I can get that off. Okay, my friends. These are the ones right here that I cooked with the batter. These are the ones that were cooked with the batter. The 1, 2, 3 step. And these are the ones cooked like your grandmama. Just plain cornmeal, salt, and pepper. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you cook these for yourself if you're a fan of fried green tomatoes. Hold on 1 second, my friends. No, I can't see. I hope you enjoyed watching the video of the fried green tomatoes. Done both ways. Very simple. Some people love fried green tomatoes, and some people just don't know how to cook them, and sometimes they cook them and they don't come out the way that they have had them. This is the way to do it. You can do this at home. You don't have to wait till you go out or wait till someone cooks them to enjoy them. You can enjoy these in your home, in your kitchen, with love from Auntie No's Kitchen. Until the next time and next recipe and we get together again, thank you for your support. Hit that like and subscribe button if you wish, please. And you can hit that bell so whenever I do an upload of a recipe, or I call it my cooking show, you'll be notified. And until then, loves, kisses to all of you. Love you guys. Till next time. Bye.